Put your foot on top. Ready? Go, 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 go. Dribble, kick, go.
To Chase's first soccer game. We are so excited for him to do so well because he is such a naturally talented little guy. He loves sports, he loves soccer, he loves basketball a lot, and he always is on the go, and he always likes to be out and active. So we doing this for you, Chapo. Woo!
I'm faster than Chase.
You are? Oh, here she go with the shade.
We headed to take my boy to his first soccer practice. This is his first sport he's playing. You know, they got soccer for kids. I'm a basketball guy, but you know, we're gonna do the soccer for my boy to get his footwork right early. You know, to get him prepped for basketball when he's early. But I'm excited. Hopefully, though, the strong little kid back there don't run anybody over or hurt nobody, because he a big 2-year-old. If he playing with other 2-year-olds,
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Let's go. Jumbo.
You excited,
Soccer for tots.
I'm sorry, your jersey on. Yay. Chef with a soccer player.
Jumbo, you excited? Woo!
Here, jump this one. This one. Kick it. Ready?
Chase, you're doing such a good job, buddy.
Yeah, kick it. Look. Look, Chapo, you gotta kick it in there. Ooh. Yay!
Good job. Good job.
Chapo made it. Kick it in there.
Good job. Let me see you try, Gianna.
Go ahead, Gianna. Kick it in there.
Go. Woo! Let me see your soccer moves. Ooh.
Kick it. Man, this boy a beast already. We got a little Leonardo, Messi on our hands. We about to get that soccer check.
Touch your toes.
Touch your toes.
And we have Coke Sam. Coke Sam, what's your favorite color? Purple. Shake your wings. Shake your legs. Shake. Up and down. Don't go too fast. You might
Shake.
Good job.
Come on, baby. You got this.
All right, let's pick up one foot in the air.
One foot.
And switch. Switch to the other side. And switch. And switch. I go. All right, everybody, let's stand up.
All right, stand up.
Stand up, everyone. Touch your toes. Yes, good job, Chase. So let me show you to remind you. When you dribble, you do little kicks and you run.
Look at her. You gotta do what she doing. Put your foot on top. Ready? Go. Dribble, kick, go. One, two, 3, go. Go underneath, Triple. You gotta go underneath. Go underneath. Go kick it. Kick it. Hey, crazy. Wait, Triple, no. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her.
March, there you go. March.
Triple.
Let's just keep marching. Over here.
Triple.
Over here.
Wait. No, little. Ooh, come here. You gotta go this way.
Don't chase here.
Safe to say the instructor's favorite. Kick it, Chapel, kick it.
There you go, kick it.
Oh.
Show me.
Chapel. No. Crazy. Hey. Crazy. What you doing? Get it, Chapel, get it. Kick it. You tired? Need a break? Chapel, you need water break? Ooh, good, huh? You need that. Refuel, baby, refuel. Let's go.
You having fun?
You ready to get in the game, Coach? You ready to get in the game? Chapel, high five. Come on, run back. Chapel, run back. Go. Come on. What? Run. Get her, run. Look at what she got. Look what she got.
All right, everyone grab a handle.
Shake it, Chapel, shake it. Slow. Shake it fast, Chapel.
And slow.
Shake it. All right, slow down. Fast.
All right. 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna lift it up over our heads. Mommies and daddies and
Give me a high five. Yeah, you did it. Pound it.
Good game, Chapu.
Yeah, proud of Chapel.
You have fun?
Yeah.
Gianna, come here.
What you got? Show mom what you got. See, I got stickers.
Ooh. You got stickers?
Yeah.
Gianna, y'all have fun? Okay.
Say, yeah, I did it, Mom.
Chapu, you did it?
Yeah, I did it.
You have fun in soccer?
You play soccer.
Yeah, you have fun.
Yeah.
Gianna and Chase do a good job?
Yeah, I made a little friend.
You did? Oh, that's exciting.
Yay, Chapel did it. Well, soccer was fun, guys, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Whew, a lot of work for Dad at chasing Chase around. But it's safe to say that my boy is the team captain and the coach's favorite. Give me some. Pound it.
No, he isn't.
Pound it. Yes, he is.
She been
The videos will tell. So, you know, if you guys seen all the footage, you definitely know he's the coach's favorite. Right? Pound it.
She was very helpful to all of the younger kids. Good job, Gianna.
Yes, very helpful. She even got a compliment from one of the
For being
parents
so nice
for
and
saying
sweet.
how sweet she is. My girl.
Alrighty. And we out, GC Squad.
IGC Squad. Till next time.
Thank y'all for tuning in.
The Jimenez kids, like and subscribe.